guys, it's a one and only favorite maths teacher once again. So as you can see here, we are given log 2 base 3 plus log 2 base 4 minus log 2 base 6. So basically now, since you understand the law number 1, the product rule of logarithms, as well as law number 2, the quotient rule of logarithms, it needs to say, for you to be able to now solve this without the use of calculator, you must use law number 1, which is the product rule of logarithms, as well as law number 2, which is the quotient rule of logarithms. So since here we are having this given, it means to say, as you solve it without the use of a calculator, you're gonna concentrate on this part. So you can actually see, you see the whole part that I just wrote here with regards to the brackets. It is in combination of us having that being law number 1. So this basically means to say we're gonna use law number 1 in order to solve that. So this basically means to say, you now understanding what that is law number 1, this is what you need to do. So this basically means to say you're gonna say log 2, right, into. So what I was showing you with regards to the bracket that I just erased, it means to say we use the product rule of logarithms, that is law number 1. So we're gonna say it will be what, 3 times 4, and get it, because we're having a positive sign. And then you write minus log 2 into 6. This basically means to say that is gonna be log 2, then you multiply 3 times 4, that is gonna be 12, and then we're having minus log 2 base 6. So you can see that here we are having log 2 base 12 minus log 2 base 6. So that is the quotient rule, that is law number 2 of what, of logarithms. So we're gonna apply that. It means to say that will be what, that will be log 2 into what, you need to take 12, you just divide it by 6 according to the quotient rule of logarithms. If you don't understand how basically we use the quotient rule of logarithms, that is law number 2 for the laws of logarithms, kindly make sure that you follow our YouTube channel. I've explained how do we basically solve or prove the quotient rule. It will basically help you to understand on how did I get log 2 base 12 over 6. Then the next step that you need to do, guys, you just write log 2, and then you ask yourself a question. You understand the root 12 divided by 6, that is going to give you 2. And then this basically means to say log 2 base 2, the final answer is going to be what? It's going to be 1, guys. That's how we do maths in our academy, guys. Follow us, stay tuned for more. It's your favorite maths teacher once again, guys.